Have you ever wondered how a criminal trial works in India? You know, the whole process from a crime being committed to when a person is proven guilty or not guilty? Well, wonder no more. The Bharatiy Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, or the BNS for short, has brought about some significant changes in the way criminal trials are conducted in India. So let's break it down step by step. First things first, when a crime is committed, the first step is to file an FIR, that is the first information report. Anyone who has been affected by the crime, or even a responsible citizen can file this report. And now, thanks to the BNS, this can be done digitally. So no more having to go to the police station and file a report. You can do it online. It mentions the details of the crime, and is the basis on which the police begin their investigation. Next comes the investigation itself. The police look for evidence, talk to witnesses, and if they have enough proof, they might arrest the persons they think have committed the crime. The BNS encourages the police to use cool stuff like forensic tools, CCTV footage, and even body-worn cameras to gather more accurate and reliable evidence. This makes sure that the investigation is more solid and trustworthy. Now, if someone is arrested, there are specific things that have to happen. The accused has to be told their rights. They get legal aid, and their family is informed too. Plus, the BNS wants all the details of the arrest and the accused's journey to be recorded, especially electronically. This helps keep everyone accountable and informed. After the investigation, the police prepare a report. If they found enough evidence to support the charges, they include the details in a document called the charge sheet and send it to the magistrate. If not, they file a closure report. The BNS sets time limits to make sure this charge sheet is filed on time, so no more delays. Then comes the magistrate who reviews the charge sheet. They decide if there's enough information to move forward with the case. If yes, they take legal action, which means the case goes to court, and the formal charges are read out to the accused. At this point, the accused person gets a copy of the charge sheet so they know what they're up against. They also have the right to plead guilty or not guilty, and based on this plea, the next steps are decided. If the accused pleads not guilty, a trial starts. The prosecution team, that's the side that's taking legal action, presents its case first. They call witnesses, they show evidence, and they try to prove that the accused is guilty. Each witness is questioned first by the prosecution, and then the defense gets a chance to question them. This is called cross-examination. The BNS encourages using digital evidence and video testimonies to speed up the trial and have better records. Once the prosecution finishes, it's the defense's turn. They can call their own witnesses and show any evidence they have to prove that the accused is innocent or not guilty. The BNS makes sure both sides get a fair chance to present their case. After both sides have presented their cases, it's time for the final arguments. Lawyers from both teams summarize their positions and talk about the important points of law and facts. Finally, the judge delivers the judgment. They say whether the accused is guilty or not guilty. The BNS sets time limits for this too, so that there are no endless delays. The judgment should be well-reasoned, and in most cases, it's also recorded digitally for keeping good records. If the accused is found guilty, the judge decides the punishment or sentence. The BNS allows the convicted person to appeal against the sentence to a higher court. These appeals can also be done electronically, making it easier for people to seek justice. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to the trial process under the BNS. The new laws aim to make criminal trials in India faster, more transparent, and more in line with the use of technology. It's all about making sure that justice is not only done, but also seen to be done. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. We'd love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful legal content. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Until next time, stay aware, stay informed.